Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'd like to present you a 25 watts power adapter from Samsung. It's an original product and I bought it because my old product died last week. This is how the box looks like. So we have a picture with the product. In this case it comes with a charging cable included. It's an USB-C to USB-C cable. On this part of the box we have travel adapter written here. Here we have some technical specifications. The model is EP-TA800 and as I told you at the beginning, it's a 25 watts power adapter. But as you can see here, it supports multiple values. Okay, so this is how the box looks like. It's made in Vietnam. Let's jump inside the box to see what we find in there. The box, as you can see, it's sealed, so I need to open it. Okay, let's open it. And this is how the product looks like. It comes in this plastic cover. This is the charger. Yeah, so again here we have the technical specifications. Here we have the USB-C port. Super fast charging. It's a matte plastic, so it's not prone to fingerprints. I like it. And the quality of the materials is very good. It's premium. Let's have a look at the cable. This is the cable. It's 1 meter cable, and as I told you, it's USB-C to USB-C. And what else we have in here? We have a small, I think it's user manual or safety guide. Yeah. And now I want to do a test to see if it's working and if it's fast charging. So I'm connecting the cable right now. I'm going to plug this into wall socket. I have one next to me. Okay, now it's plugged in. And here I have a phone. It's connected. And let's see. Okay, it's super fast charging. So it's okay, it's working, it's exactly what I needed. Okay guys, so this was it. This is my short unboxing. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.